The Galaxy Watch 6 Classic is set to be released less than a month from now. Even still, the upcoming design, complete with returning rotating bezel, has been spotted on the wrist of Tottenham Hotspur forward Son Heung-min. One of the biggest factors that have made the Galaxy Watch 6 so exciting is the return of the rotating bezel. The classic variant of the Galaxy Watch 4 was the last to include this feature, and it came as such a natural and user-friendly mechanism that it was sadly missed in Samsung's latest Galaxy Watch attempt. Leaked renders and marketing photos are one thing, but real-world photos of the device give a much better look. Tottenham Hotspur forward Son Heung-min has given us that look while making his way back to England for the return of the Premier League season from Korea. At first glance, what we think is that the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic seems to sport a much thinner bezel, which surrounds an equally larger screen. The proportions look great, and the blacked-out colorway shown in the photo is an attractive one. There's nothing to definitively back up a larger screen and thinner bezels, but the photo tells a slightly different story. The photo also seems to confirm that the Galaxy Watch 6 bezel is thinner than it used to be. The Premier League player's Galaxy Watch 6 Classic comes in black, but the smartwatch should be available in at least one other color option, that is silver. The new smartwatches ship with the Wear OS 4-based One UI Watch 5 update, which focuses on improving health and fitness tracking with improved accuracy and more on-watch tools. We were expecting the Galaxy Watch 6 Classic to sport refined bezels, per recent leaks. Of course, the device looks a little chunky in those marketing images, while the images showcasing the watch on the Spurs forward makes it look surprisingly less so. Samsung may end up dropping the Pro branding and sticking with a Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic, with the latter including the rotating bezel we've been waiting to see again. As it stands, Samsung is likely to announce the Watch 6 and Watch 6 Classic later this month alongside the Galaxy Z Fold and Flip 5. So, what do you guys think about this real-life look of the upcoming Galaxy Watch Classic? Let us know it down below in the comment section, and if you guys enjoyed the video, then a sub to the channel will be massive, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you for the next time. Peace out.